Tesla vehicles use advanced systems to quickly clear foggy or icy windows. Access the climate controls on your touchscreen to find the defroster and defogger options. For defrosting, use the dedicated windshield heater button, represented by a windshield icon. This activates resistive heating elements in the windshield to melt ice or frost. For defogging, adjust the fan speed, temperature, and turn on the AC. The system dehumidifies the air, directing it to the windows to eliminate condensation. Smart features automatically adjust airflow based on sensor data to prevent fog buildup, especially during autopilot or FSD use. For optimal performance, ensure your Tesla's vents are open and avoid manually wiping the windows, as this can interfere with the sensors that detect moisture levels. Preconditioning via the Tesla app is a great way to clear windows before you even get in the car, saving you time by starting the defrost or defog process remotely. Tesla's AI-optimized HVAC algorithms learn and adapt to your driving habits and local weather, proactively adjusting temperature and recirculation for maximum efficiency. Future software updates will likely include predictive defrosting, activating the system based on weather forecasts and your schedule to ensure clear windows when you need them. Regular software updates are crucial, with recent updates having reduced defrost times significantly through improved algorithms and efficiency. Keep an eye on those service bulletins for any maintenance recommendations related to the window clearing system to ensure long-term reliability.